Well, hello there, third graders. This is Mrs. B. I have your weekly Sunday reading lesson ready for you today. So we are going to jump in right now and go over our sounds. So as soon as you see the card, go ahead and say the sound that comes to your mind. Ch, t, sh, b, a, e, I, s, l, d, n, v, z, j, p, g, ya, x, wa, k, qua, e. Here's some of our newer sounds. All, or, th, and then lastly, our newest sounds. Let's say them together. Ing, ang, ong, ung. Again, ing, ang, ong, ung. So you do hear most of those short-ish, long-ish vowels there at the beginning, and then ng at the end. And when we put an S in front of them, it makes these words. Let's say these words. Sing, sang, song, and sung. Sing, sang, song, sung. So you're going to be spelling some words with those sound patterns today. All right, let's go over our blends. Ready? Beginning blends, consonant blends. Gull, say it fast. Tur, dur, per, gur, bull, sul, burr, cull, cur, fur, pull, full, st, swa, sm, sn, sk, sp. Great job. Okay, so if you can please now get out your piece of paper, we will start spelling sounds. All right, numbering it 1 through 10, just like we always do. on our piece of paper, right here on the left side of the paper, I will give you your first sound. Please spell the sound SL. It's a blend. SL. So there are two sounds in that blend. SL. Okay, this is what it should look like. SL, soul. Next, spell all. All, like in the word ball or call. There are 3 letters in this sound. All. There it is, A-L-L, all. Next, please spell, this is a digraph, so you only hear one sound, but there's 2 letters making that sound. And this is what it should look like. TH. Okay, next one, let's do grr. 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 G-R. Okay, next, let's spell ang. Ang. This is 3 letters. This is our new sound blend at the end of the words, like sang. So what is ang? What 3 letters do you hear? A-N-G. Ang. Good job. If you don't have it right, you just cross it out and rewrite it correctly. A-N-G. Ang. Now spell or. Or. It's kind of a vowel blend. It has a vowel and a consonant. Or. O-R. Good job. All right, next, please spell ing. Ing. Again, it's like ang, but the vowel changes, like in the word sing. What 3 letters do you hear? I-N-G. Ing. All right, let's do sp. Another consonant blend. Sp. S-P. Sp. Okay, now do cull. Cull. Another consonant blend. Cull. C-L. Cull. And lastly, let's do fur. Fur. F-R. All right, so from the top, we're going to read all of our sounds together. I will point, you say it. Ang. Ing. Okay, great job. Now we're going to do some words. First, we're going to start with some sight words to review. Get ready to say it fast. Who? What? A. And. Of. The. Do. To. I. Was. Are. One. Your. Said. Were. And these two might be newer for you, so we'll go through them a little slowly. This is once, like once upon a time. Only. Okay, good job. And now let's go through some of our regular words with our blends and our new sounds. Grin. Grass. Cliff. Grab. Oops. Smash. Flash. Blush. Swim. Smog. Stiff. Fresh. Blot. Class. Floss. Drug. Crack. Brush. Prim. Frog. Sweet. Speed. Stack. Snag. Snip. Scam. Spot. Plan. Clash. Creep. Dress. Plug. Steal. smock, and fly. Remember last week we worked on that Y being an I at the end of words, fly. All right, so let's get our piece of paper back out again. And now you're going to practice spelling some words. So go ahead, start a new column, numbered 1 through 10. And I will give you your first word to spell. Okay, please spell fall. All. Fall. F-A-L-L. Fall. There's that all sound. Please spell slush. 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 There you go. Slush. There's our SH sound at the beginning and our blend at the our SH sound at the end and our blend at the beginning. Slush. Next, please spell form. 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 F-O-R-M. There's that or sound in the middle. Form. Okay, next please spell them. 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 Okay, now spell chuck. Ch-a-k. Chuck. 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 There's our ch-a-k. Chuck. Okay. Next, please spell sang. 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 S-A-N-G. Next, please spell wing. W-ing. Wing. W-ing. Wing. All right. Let's do, please spell lung. L-ung. Lung. Lung. L-u-n-g. L-U-N-G. Now for the next one, you're going to change lung and turn it into long. So only one letter changes from lung to long. Long. Goes L-O-N-G. So lung, long. You see how just the vowel changes. And finally, let's do the word thing. So we have a sound at the beginning, which is a digraph, 2 letters, and then the ending ing. Thing. So we've got TH making the th sound. Ing. Ing. There's our ING. Thing. All right, let's read these from the very beginning, starting with number 1. I will point, you say it. Okay, good job. So, to finish up, we're going to write 2 sentences. Your first sentence is, I lost my page here. The first sentence is, okay, this is a long one, so listen carefully. Dry the dish with a thick cloth. So let's break that into 2 parts. Dry the dish. Start with that. Say it out loud. Dry the dish. Dry the dish. And then the next word is with. That's kind of connecting the beginning and the end of the sentence. Dry the dish with. Dry the dish with. And the second half of the sentence is a thick cloth. A thick cloth. Cloth is a tough one. So just break it up. Cloth. So I will repeat the sentence 2 more times all together. Dry the dish with a thick cloth. So read yours over. Make sure you have every word. Dry the dish with a thick cloth. And don't forget about capitalization and punctuation as well. Okay, here we go. Let's see. So to start off, we have a capital D for dry. D-R-Y. There's our Y acting like an I. Dry. So if you didn't get it right, cross it out and write it over it or on top of it. Dry the, that's our sight word, the dish. Dish. With. There's our digraph, TH at the end of the word, with. I hope you got A right. Dry the dish with a, and here's the trickier part, thick. There's our TH sound at the beginning and our CK sound at the end, thick. And then cloth. Col is a blend, off. And that's hard. This O is tough because it's not saying O and it's not saying ah, kind of saying aw. So if you didn't get cloth right, you're going to want to cross it out and rewrite it. Some students think that this is an F at the end, cloth, okay? This is not an F, it's a F. You have to put your tongue between your teeth and you have to say cloth, okay? All right, so that's our first sentence. Dry the dish with a thick cloth. And our second sentence is going to be Ring the bell for class. Again, ring the bell for class. You say it. Ring the bell for class. Ring the bell for class. Okay, here we go. A little bit of a shorter sentence, hopefully not as difficult. Ring. There's our ing sound. Capital R. R-I-N-G. Ring. The. So we have the up here, and we have the down here, so we should have those spelled correctly now. Bell. B-L. The sight word. Not really sight word. This is using our or sound. For, with our or sound. And class. And I have a period at the end. Ring the bell for class. All right. So those are your 2 sentences this week. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I appreciate your time and your effort. So you will now go back on Seesaw, take a picture of your completed work, and submit it to your teacher. Thank you so much and have a great week.